Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a special pudding and we call it makhadi halwa. For this take 2 mugs of granulated wheat and pour it in a bowl. In this granulated wheat, pour 1 liter milk, mix it well and leave it for half an hour. Now in a wok, take 1 cup oil, 3/4 of 2 mug sugar, and mix it well. You can add more sugar as per your taste. Now add some water. Mix it well until it gets dissolves. Now take some cardamom and crush it. Now add these cardamoms in the mixture of sugar and oil. Mix until sugar gets brown. Now the sugar is brown. Now we will add mixture of granulated wheat and milk in our wok where sugar is already brown. Now we have to mix it very well. Mix, mix, mix. Now take some almonds, raisins and cashews. You can add more dry fruits as well as per your taste. Now add it in your pudding and again mix it. Roast it well until it gets brown. Now when it gets brown, take it out in a dish or a plate and enjoy your tasty pudding. Credit goes to my mother because she made it for me. So please hit the like button if you like the recipe and don't forget to subscribe. Happy New Year to all of you!